Hello everyone. So we are done with the introduction and overview of the Seaborn library. Now we will start with the first plot, which is scatter plot. So we are writing import Seaborn as SNS, and also we require matplotlib so that we can show that what you can say, that plot part, or you can say scatter plot actually. So matplotlib.pyplot as a PLT. Okay, then we have to load the data set. So we require one variable. We are writing t equal to Seaborn, that is SNS dot load underscore dataset, and tips is our dataset name. And then we are using SNS dot scatter plot because we are interested in plotting scatter. So in x-axis we want a label as a total bill and y equal to a tip. And then data is obviously we will take data from this variable t, and then plt dot show will show you the scatter plot. So let's check the output of this. See, we are getting the scatter plot, which is total bill on this x-axis and tip on the y-axis, and these two are nothing but the columns in our tips data set actually. Okay, so let me just show you the data set which we have. See, total bill and tips. See, here is the data set which we have. You can use other column also if you want to use, and this is our tips.csv file which we have already downloaded. Thank you everyone.